Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we have with us the Skullcandy Hesh ANC headphones, which comes under a premium headphones category. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you the features of this headphone. So here is the box. In the front of the box we have the product model Hesh ANC written here along with the picture of the headphones. And here we have some key features such as you get the active noise cancellation, 22 hours of battery backup, supports rapid charge. The headphones are flat folding and you also get the tile support to find your headphones. And here at the back we have the features and the box content info. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So here we have this card first on the top, which has the info about the controls and a quick start guide. And in this box we have some accessories such as user guide, Type-C charging cable, and you also get an aux cable. And guys, I really find the quality of this cable very good. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the headphones. So we get the headphones in this carrying case, and the quality of this carrying case is also good, and you have this soft material inside it. Now let's look at the headphones. So here we have the Skullcandy Hesh ANC headphones. This is a mod white variant, and these headphones are also available in the black color. Now in terms of the overview, the Skullcandy Hesh ANC headphones falls into a mid-range category. The features you're getting such as the active noise cancellation usually we have seen in a higher range headphones. In terms of the design and quality, you get this foldable design which makes these headphones easy to carry. Looking at the ear cups, they are adjustable and you have good amount of cushioning on them. And guys, they are the over-the-ear headphones. In terms of the headband, you can expand the headband like this. And here on the top we have good amount of padding which will make these headphones comfortable for long hour usage. And here we have the Skullcandy logo, and on the top we have this shiny texture on the band. So in terms of the looks and design, the ear cups have soft touch finish and the band has a mixed glossy finish. Now talking about the ports and buttons, on the right ear cup we have the buttons such as volume up and down. Then we have the power button and also the mode button to enable the noise cancellation. And here you also have an LED light to let you know the status. At the bottom of the headphone we have the Type-C charging port and a 3.5mm audio jack. Now let's turn on the headphone and pair it with our phone. So they are paired. Now let's test how the performance is. Now starting with the comfort, I've been using these headphones regularly to listen to music and watch videos and movies. And guys, I really find these headphones very comfortable. The weight of these headphones is only 225 grams. And due to the soft padding on the headband, I was able to use them for hours without feeling any discomfort. I also find the memory foam padding on the ear cups sufficient. Now in terms of the buttons and controls, you can increase or decrease the volume, and upon long pressing the button, you can switch between the soundtracks. The mode button allows you to turn on or turn off the ANC. Now let's talk about the most important thing, which is the sound quality. The 40mm driver of the Hesh ANC offers amazing sound output. These headphones offers punchy bass, yet the clarity is amazing. I have listened to different genres of music and I find the instrument separation pretty good. And also, the clarity of the voice and dialogues while watching movies is also very good. So overall for music, I really like the output of these headphones. And if you're a bass head, you would love these headphones. Now talking about the main feature, that is the active noise cancellation. The ANC works perfectly as it reduces the background noise such as fan or any other humming background noise. You can feel the difference immediately when you turn it on. It's not as good as some high-range ANC headphones, but overall, we get a decent ANC performance. But guys, I should tell you that I noticed a slight change in the audio quality when the ANC was on. I can feel a bit muffled up bass, but again, that's a very slight audio quality change, which should not be a deal breaker. Overall, the quality with or without the ANC is very good in these headphones. Now lastly, let's talk about the battery. So with the ANC on, I was able to get approximately 20 hours of battery backup at 70 to 80% volume, and that is really impressive. And also, these headphones offers rapid charge which can give you 3 hours of usage time in just 10 minutes of charge. So overall, the Skullcandy Hesh ANC headphones offers amazing sound output. They are bass heavy and the clarity is very good. I really find the headphones comfortable when using them for long hours. The design and the build quality is decent and they are also lightweight. However, there are a couple of things which I didn't like about these headphones. First is the app support. There is no app support for these headphones and you cannot set the EQ as per your choice. And also, these headphones even though comes with the Bluetooth 5.0 support, but they do not offer multi-device pairing, which is little disappointing. Nonetheless, these headphones offers amazing sound quality and comfort, and if you're in the market for an entry-level ANC headphones, then I highly recommend you to check them out. They are available to purchase at around 10,000 rupees price mark, and if you like these headphones and want to buy one, then don't forget to check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Skullcandy Hesh ANC headphones. Let us know if you like them, and also if you have any questions about these headphones, let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.